Hey, what's going on, Gould? It's Donny. I'm holed up here in the laundry closet, you know what I mean? Just doing load after load. Not my ideal weeknight, I'll tell you that, but I'm calling at you because I'm pretty fired up about these Moxie Awards you're kicking off over there, you know what I mean? You know me, I'm a true friggin' Moxie enthusiast. The stuff pretty much courses through my veins, you know what I mean? When I bleed these days, I don't even bleed blood no more, I just bleed Moxie. You know what I mean? I got it in my system pretty much at all times. And, you know, I come from a long heritage of Moxie enthusiasts. You know what I mean? Right here we got Ted Williams. He said make mine Moxie way back in the day. And so I said, sure, Ted, I probably will make mine Moxie. And so then he passed down the tradition to me. And so there's me, and it says make mine Moxie. And I'm still saying that today. I'll probably be, you know what I mean? I'll be right on the Moxie till, the day I freaking pass on. And now it's up to you folks to carry on the Moxie tradition with this Moxie Award, you know what I mean? So all you got to do is, recognize folks that show, a real force of character, determination, nerve, you know what I mean? I usually get mine Moxies via nerve, you know what I mean? Just by being really bold. But you can do it any of them ways, you know what I mean? And then you're just going to be like, hey, Mr. Smith, so-and-so showed real Moxie over there. Get him an award. And, I don't know what the award's going to be, but I can guess, you know what I mean? I imagine it's one of these things. And I ain't talked to Mr. Smith yet. I ain't talked to Tao, but I imagine there's going to have to be a friggin' Mega Moxie Award. And if you do a really good job, then you get one of them, the glass bottle. So lots to look forward to, you know what I mean? That's a good award, and I'd be getting on it, showing Moxie every day if I were you. Matter of fact, if everybody's nominating each other, I imagine by like next week I'll probably have 200 or so nominations, and then I'll say, you know what, I'll cut it off after that. We'll let somebody else win it, once I get 200 cans going for all my accolades and all the good stuff I'm doing. Then I'll be like, all right, somebody else can do it. I got, enough Moxie to last a year. So anyways, good luck on the awards. And, yeah, good stuff. Keep up the good work.